2020. We believe that the presentation today was compelling for the arguments that were made about the ability of the state of Alabama to effectively draw a plan, as well as the race-neutral reasons in which that plan was adopted. We look forward to the court returning a verdict. Appreciate the work of Solicitor General Eddie LaCour and his team. Also grateful for the work of the Alabama legislature and the work that they did in making this map comply with the Voting Rights Act as well as the Constitution. Yes.
I think the argument is simpler than that. It's simply that the Voting Rights Act, which was designed to take discrimination out of voting, cannot be used to affirmatively require the state to discriminate in how it draws its lines. We think that's essentially what the plaintiffs are pushing for here, but to the extent Section 2 applies to districting, it's to prohibit racial gerrymanders, not to require states to draw them.
What do you say to Justice Kagan's argument that effectively guts kind of the core of what Section 2 requires, which is equal representation for all groups?
I took issue with Justice Kagan's view of Section 2. So we explained to her this is a prohibition on discrimination, not a requirement to discriminate. And Section 2 has, I don't think, ever been applied to require or guarantee some sort of maximal outcome for any racial group. Simply needs to be an equally open plan for all groups. And we think a plan that is drawn in a race-neutral and fair way is such an equally open plan and satisfies Section 2.
And would you go as far as saying that taking race into account would then result in a not only gerrymandered but potentially racist map?
I think if you look at what we have in this case, you have the named plaintiff, Evan Milligan himself, who ran a nonprofit focused on redistricting in Alabama. They tried to draw a second majority black district with a team of trained map drawers, and they couldn't even do it. So surely it's not the case that the Alabama legislature was supposed to find the sort of map that even the named plaintiff himself could not find.
In general, just having been out and in there, heard the questions that were asked of you, how are you feeling coming out of it?
I think first of all, let me say this is the Attorney General. I'm very pleased with our team. Obviously, General LaCour was prepared not only for the briefings that took place and the written material submitted to the court, but also the questions that were presented. Obviously, this is a significant issue. We understand that, but yet the fundamental position for the state today is that our legislature acted properly in compliance with Section 2, and we think that we demonstrated that through the argument today. Thank you all very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.